How to manage OneDrive stories. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to manage your stories on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. Now, number one step to do is check your stories usage. Tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner, select it. Then here you can find your stories right here. From here you can simply see your used and available stories. Next is delete unnecessary files. Now choose and locate the file that you want to delete. Then tap on the three dot lines right here, select it. Then here you can find delete option. Simply tap on it and delete it. And you can also delete the files from the recycle bin. Tap onto profile icon, tap onto recycle bin right here. Then from here simply delete the files once again and simply free up space. And final thing you can do is upgrade the stories. Tap onto the diamond option right here at the top, select it. And from here you can simply view plans and simply upgrade the OneDrive storage. Tap on to upgrade right here. And that's it. This is how you can manage OneDrive stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.